In this tutorial, we'll explain how to unlink an Azor match analysis license from your computer to use it on another device. First, log in to your WePermedia account at www.wepermedia.com. In the main menu, you'll see all the active licenses you have for both Azor and Cloudlab. Next, choose the license you want to unlink. The system will show you the license number, the device it is linked to, the expiration date, and the license type. Then, simply click on Unlink Device, and your license will automatically be freed to use on any other device. Open your Azor Match Analysis application and enter the new license you want to use. Don't forget to follow us to stay up to date with all tutorials and news for your sports analysis software.